Hey, what's up, guys? It's K-Cass, and today I look a little crazy. Hear me out. We are doing two looks using the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina Part 3 palette. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. It retails for $45 Canadian, and the lip kit, Weird Sisters, is the one that I purchased, is $16. If you guys like these two looks, definitely stay tuned. We are going to be doing them right about. And now we are at the beginning. We have a base makeup. I am currently baking right now because normally I do my eyes first, but I'm trying to make this video go a little bit faster, so we're just going to dive right in. I have everything on except for blush and highlight, and we also have the lip kit. So as I said in the beginning of the video, or technically the end of the video, is we're gonna do a half face. So half like Sabrina from the beginning of the part 1, and then Sabrina part 3. I thought that'd be interesting. So as I said before, we have the Weird Sisters lipsticks. These are the shades. So this one is Transylvania, and I believe this one is Los Angeles. And before we continue and put stuff on our eyes, I noticed on the back of it, let me just peel this plastic safety guard. So there are some shades that are actually not eye safe. So they labeled them very easily. So I'll just kind of put it like this, and editing cast will put little stars to show which ones are not eye safe, or at least not recommended for the immediate eye area. And yes, so as you can tell, this is gloriously beautiful, and it even has like little spells that are different eyeshadow looks that you can do. There's so much to choose from, and there's even a shade that is my cat's name, Salem. Yes, I have a cat named Salem from the original Sabrina series, is the reason why I named him Salem, because he looked exactly like Salem from the show. So without further ado, let's just do half of our face. So maybe we'll go in with Sweet 16 just over here. I'm just going to... That is pigmented. Oh my lord. That is a little bit brighter than what I was anticipating, I'll tell you that. Okay, we're gonna go with it. Okay, so this will be part 1 side, and over here will be part 3. So we'll finish this side off, and then we'll continue the other one. So after Sweet 16, let's try Blood Earth right here, this kind of orangey color. This one's not as pigmented as the other one. First go, it's okay. So we're just gonna add that there. We'll go for Before Dawn just over here. Do that right into the crease here to here. Not that much fallout though, that's good. It's going for more her cute, sweet, before she, you know, spoiler alert, becomes Queen of Hell. I feel like we need a bit of Truth Cake. Soften up our inner corner. There we go, and tempted to add a little bit of sparkle. Just a little bit. So maybe we'll go into Class in Session just over here. Try that. Let's try picking up with our finger. I'm not flipping you off, I promise. Ooh, a little bit of specks really go in there. Very subtle, very cute. Pack a bit more. I like it. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of Angel of Death right here in our inner corner. That one is a little bit chalky. Comes out very white, which is nice. Good white in your collection. Since this eye is done, we're going to get rid of our bake, and hopefully it won't be so baked. Not bad. And we'll quickly do the bottom, and then we'll head on to the lips. No, actually, we'll do the blush first. We'll figure out what blush to pick. NYX Scratch, Caliban for our highlighter, and of course we have Harvey. So since it's season 1 side, we're gonna go with Harvey. I got my blush brush here, and without further ado, let's see how much blush we can get on this side. I'm always scared to put on blush in case I over blush. There's a hair. There we go. I think we're good. We're going to go into Caliban as the highlighter, just because it's the only highlighter we have on here, and we can at least try it out. Can you see that? In person, it's very dazzling. It's more of a warmer, I would say, highlighter, as I proceed to dose myself with it. I don't know if it matches my skin tone. Let's just add more. Oh, highlighter's nice. I think it might be too dark for me. Blush, I'm not really sure. I'll just add a bit on the nose. Maybe if you have a lighter hand, maybe it might look a little better than like caking it, but highlight it. I really like to cake it. Now let's just quickly line and put some mascara on, and then we'll do our lips. Be right back. And back with our winged eyeliner and some mascara. So now we will do the lips. So we're going to use Los Angeles on this side, and then we're going to be using the Transylvania on the other one. They smell very nice. It's my first time ever using NYX lipstick. It's really creamy. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, what do we think? Sabrina from the first season? I think it's not that bad. This looks very strange. I'm gonna fix it, I promise. So now we'll do to Sabrina part 3 on this side. So she's gotten a little bit more dark. That's for sure. And we all love it. So first thing I'm going to do is the Unholy Union right here. Very nice, very nice. It's very purple. I love it. Comment down below, you guys, your favorite thing that happened in part 3 if you've seen it. And also, are you Team Harvey or are you Team Nick? Because I really want to know who thinks maybe Sabrina should have stayed with Harvey. But again, this is a different universe than her original predecessor. And also it's, if I remember correctly, it's more on the lines of the comic books with Archie, like the Archie comics. So, I know! Salem and Simba are actually cuddling over there, so if you hear any meows like that, that's just them getting all close. Such a proud mom. We are going to use Mortuary right over here. Remember, if you guys use the colors that are not eye safe. It's up to your discretion. You guys know yourselves better than the companies do. Do it at your own risk. I'm pretty sure I'm diving into the colors 10. Unholy, yeah, Unholy Union I did. And Mortuary is okay. Yeah. So far I've dived into it, but I kind of put it on the edge, so maybe it just stains. I don't know. I'm no expert, nor do I claim to be. So yeah, so we got this happening. It is very, very purple and very vampy. I love it. And we're going to dip into Salem, just a smidge with a smaller brush. Perfect. Hello. Very nice, very nice. Just deepen this corner a bit. We have that happening, very different, as you can see. Now, what should we do? Maybe some Limbo, which is right here. It's this gray color right there. We're gonna do our inner in that. Perfect. And just for argument's sake, we're going to dip into Angel of Death, just so that is a similar color for both inner corners. That one I find gets a little chunky. I feel like it would look a little strange if I decided to put a cunning right in the corner here. I may dabble a bit of Ambrose right over here on this side, just because we have glitter on this side, and we'll add just a little bit on that side. We're going to use our finger, a clean finger, and very nice. We're going to just dab it on top of Limbo. Beautiful. Can you guys see that? Can you see that glitter? She beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. Add a bit more. There. That looks really good. We'll do the bottom lash, and then we will magically put on our eyeliner and mascara like we did with the other side, and then we will do our lip. So first but foremost, before we do that, we're going to get rid of our bake. Beautiful. My base has never looked so nice. We'll be right back. And we are lined, looking cute, and have some mascara. So now we're going to quickly add blush. So we're going to use NYX Scratch over here. Proceeds to add more blush. I think this is good. Now we'll do the highlight with Caliban. Really stuck to one spot there. And now for lips, we're going to be using Transylvania. It's a little patchy. Could be how I'm applying it. Wow. Oh, that's the problem with this. And it's kind of goppy. Okay, I did my best. We're gonna keep it. So now we have part 3. I think this one definitely has the essence of part 3 with Sabrina, or at least it looks more like the Weird Girls, but I feel like as she's owning her spooky self with the Dark Lord, that now she's like kind of going more to the dark side, you know? Instead of the original starting off the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina like this, and ending like this. So this concludes the video using the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina palette part 3 and using the lipstick kit Weird Sisters as well. Definitely, if you guys can get your hands on this, I know it's sold out at NYX.com and .ca, but I know like in Canada you can probably get it at Shoppers Drug Mart and stuff like that. So if you can get your hands on this, I would say it's definitely worth it if you want like different kinds of colors, and also if you're a really big fan of the Sabrina franchise, the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina franchise, I would definitely recommend getting this. Also, if you don't have a lot of makeup in your repertoire, this is definitely a good start because you have some neutrals here and then you got some fun pops of color, and also you get some blushes in here. Again, my only downside is the highlighter is so dark, but it could just be because I doused myself in highlighter because I want to glow. My pale self wants to glow. But yes, this is definitely really cute, really adorable for any Chilling Adventures of Sabrina fan. The lipsticks, I know if you can't get your hands on the set, they do sell separately. These are actually, I believe, part of the normal collection at NYX. This one is Los Angeles and this one is Transylvania. Yeah, you could get these not in the Weird Sisters kit, but you can just get them like with the normal NYX packaging. I do not know if these are sold out. I know the palette is. I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning of the video, but this palette retails for $45 Canadian, and the lipsticks are $16 for both of them. That's not including tax. So yeah, definitely interesting palette. I do like the looks that I came up with today. So I hope you guys had fun with me. Don't forget to comment down below your favorite scene in the part 3 series, and also if you're Team Nick or Team Harvey, and yeah, anything from the series. I would love to hear what you guys think of it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great one. Bye!